In today's video, you will learn how to connect Email Octopus to WordPress using Fuse WP. So first off, we'll need to get our API key. So let's go over to the avatar for our account. We'll go to Integrations and APIs. And next to API, we're going to click on Manage. We'll add a key. Next, we're going to go ahead and name our key. Then we'll click on Create. What we're seeing here in this box is our API key, so we can go ahead and copy it. We'll close this and we'll go to our WordPress dashboard. And from the dashboard, we'll hover over Fuse WP. We'll go to Settings. And on our settings page, we'll scroll down to Email Octopus. Here we can click on Configure. We'll enter our API key, the one we copied, and save our changes. Once they're saved, we'll go to User Sync under Fuse WP. Then we'll add a new sync rule. Here we'll need to select a source. We'll use user roles. Then we'll add a new destination. Now our user role will be subscriber, and we'll use Email Octopus as our integration. For the list, we'll use tutorials. You can configure tags if you want. Under custom fields, we have first name, which is being mapped as text to first name in Email Octopus. The same goes for last name, and we can use this button to map another field. Let's remove it. And since we're done here, we can now click on this button to save our changes. All right, so once our changes are saved, we can now go to a WordPress registration page. And on this page, I'll enter some random information for a new user. We'll click on Add User. And as soon as we see our success message, we'll head over to Email Octopus to see if our user's information was synced. So on the left, we'll go to View Contacts. And under our tutorials list, we can see that we now have one contact, which is the one for the user that we just added. Here's one more example. This time we'll add a new sync rule, and it's going to be for a newsletter sign-up form. So we're going to go to WP Forms, and our source item is going to be newsletter sign-up form. Next, we'll add a new destination, and we'll use after form submission as the event. Our integration here is going to be Email Octopus. And next, we're going to go ahead and select our list. Once again, we'll use tutorials. We'll skip tags once again, and this time we'll need to map our custom fields manually. So let's start with the email address field. We'll select email. It's mapped to email, and we'll do first name, then last name. Once we're done, we'll save our changes, the top right hand corner. And as soon as our changes are saved, we'll open the page with our newsletter sign up form. Once again, I'll enter some lead information, then I'll click on submit. And once it's confirmed, we're going to go to Email Octopus to see if our lead was captured. So we'll go to our View Contacts tab once again. And in our tutorials list, we'll see the lead that we just subscribed. All right, so this is how you connect Email Octopus to WordPress with Fuse WP. Thanks for watching and see you next time.